If you have a 5 gallon bucket that you intend to use for planting and you don't have a drill, but you need to drill holes beneath it to provide drainage, then this is the video for you. And you are going to get these same exact results without a drill. So let's get started. This is recommendedly your home for friendly guides. Do check out our playlist for the type of content that you want. Now let's get started with our video. For this process, you are going to need a marker, a lighter, a screwdriver, and a pair of scissors. Before deciding to do this video, I had already made drills in it, and in this video, I'm just going to show you exactly how I did it. First, using the marker, I marked the points that I was going to drill. And then with the lighter, I heated the marked points for about 30 seconds. Be careful while doing this so you do not burn yourself, and also feel free to take breaks if the heat gets too much for you to handle. Now I will take the screwdriver and bore a hole through the heated point. The heat makes it easy for the screwdriver to penetrate. And then I just take the scissors and drill through the already drilled hole. To get a wider hole, keep pushing the scissors in as you make that circle drill. And just like that, we are done with one. Now let's try another one. This time, the video is going to speed up because you've already seen the process. Let's go. And there you have it. We are done. Now, let's take a closer look at our work. As you can see for yourself, the drilled holes are perfect and they are going to provide enough drainage for your plants. This is recommendedly your home for friendly guides. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to share the love and have a beautiful day.